I'm going to be making a magical shimmer spray. It's very easy to do. You can use hairspray. I just happen to have this scrunch hairspray from Aussie. Or you can use some of the floor wax, the liquid floor wax. Going to need a spray bottle and some pearlex powdered pigments, or if you have eyeshadow, like a sparkly champagne eyeshadow, it will work as well. So you're going to start by taking some of your scrunch spray or your hairspray and pouring it in the bottle. I'm going to fill it up a little bit more with just plain water. Alright, as you can see, I filled it almost to the shoulder of this bottle. I'm just going to put my hand over it and give it a really good shake. Yours will foam up just like this one did. The nice thing about making your own shimmer spray is that it's cheap. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, that's all I'm going to be using in this entire bottle. If you want it more shimmery, you could use a little bit more. All of these items you can purchase from Hobby Lobby. You can purchase them online. You can probably purchase them from other big box stores like Walmart and Michael's, Joann's, that type of thing. We're going to put our lid on there nice and tight. And we're going to shake it for a minute or two. And you can kind of see that it is very shimmery. It's hard to tell with all those bubbles. I'm going to get some darker cardstock and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, you're going to want to shake it again if it's been sitting for a while. But ideally, you want to mix this up and let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes until there's absolutely no bubbles. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how well this really does work. You don't need to hold it like way down here. You can hold it way up high. Now it has been sprayed, and as you can see, it's shimmery. You can die cut it, you can use it for backgrounds, whatever you'd like. Another thing you can do is, like in this case, I have die cut some snowflakes out of just cardstock of different sizes. This is just white paper, of course. And from a distance, you're just going to spritz it. And you can either let this dry or heat set it as well. So here you have these white snowflakes. It's probably not showing up very well on camera, but there is quite a bit of sparkle to these. This is a great way to make your own iridescent paper with a little bit of shimmer in it so that you don't have to buy the expensive paper, and it lasts a long time. You can just keep refilling it. This bottle will probably last 4 to 6 months or even more. You're just going to keep adding water to it, or water and hairspray. You can tell when it needs to have a little refreshment. It doesn't happen very often, I will tell you that once again. If you haven't and you'd like to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. Thank you to all of you who continue to support my channel. I'm at 4,887 subscribers as of this morning anyway. So I hope that you will indeed share this video. Have a great day, everyone. Stay happy. Be a blessing. Bye for now.